Hello and welcome to the section 3, information gathering. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about the basics of information gathering and how we can gather information about the target that we are going to cover here in this section. So let's start information gathering. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is information gathering and what is the process to gather information about target. So information gathering is collect information about target using Metasploit 5. So we have latest Metasploit 5 and how you can gather information about target with the help of Metasploit. So that is information gathering. So guys, if I talk about the setup here, we have Kali Linux machine, and Kali Linux machine will work as an attacker machine. So we will attack on the other networks with the help of Kali Linux. Inside Kali Linux, we have the latest Metasploit version, which is version 5, which contains latest exploits and auxiliaries. And with the help of these auxiliaries and exploits, we are going to perform attack on the other networks. We can perform information gathering with help of Metasploit 5. And we have a target. So we have a network, and network contains various operating systems. So we are going to perform information gathering about a network with the help of Metasploit 5. Now, what we can find in the network? So if I talk about the process of information gathering, so first we can find information about the open ports which are available in the network. So port scanning is very important because with the help of port scanning we can find the open ports in the network. And if I'm an attacker, so it is very useful for me because I can use these open ports to attack on the network. Panel grabbing means OS detection or service identification. So I can also find information about the operating system running in the victim machine, and network monitoring, and I can also monitor my network with the help of Metasploit. So these are the steps in information gathering process.